Hello! So if you notice that I'm wearing the same thing I wore in my last video, I don't know which one's going up first, but I am. It's the same day. But I thought since I was a little upset earlier, so I thought I'd go thrifting and take you guys with me. But if you're new here, my name's Kyra, and you should probably click the subscribe button before you go away. Also go check me out on Instagram, Depop, TikTok, and all of my other socials. Also, my debut single, Retrograde, will be out on July 27th, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, today we're gonna go thrifting at this thrift store, and this lady gave me a very disapproving look. I'm kind of scared because this actually looks like a thrift store. It's really cute. It's in Whittier. It's called Golden Thrift Store. I would show you what it looks like, but there's a lady and she probably doesn't want to be in this video, so I hope that they let me film, or I'll like secretly film, but I probably won't talk a lot. But yeah, so let's see what we can find. I need some Depop inventory for my Depop anyway, even though I'm having a little bit of issues with that. We're not going to talk about it. We're going to have a fun time, and let's go thrifting.
Yeah, I know you'll miss me a little. Maybe when you finish your day and you have a spare moment, but I'm gonna miss you like crazy.
Couldn't really film much, and then like I tried putting the camera down on like the table, but then like this girl, she was like in front of it, so I was like, okay, well maybe, well that didn't turn out the way that I wanted. But it's such a cute little store, and I got some stuff. Can't wait to show this like in a haul video. The lady was really nice. I just felt weird like filming and stuff, but I'm probably gonna go check out to see if any of the other thrift stores that I actually know, like I've been to, are open. I've never been to this thrift store, but I'm really happy that I came here and I looked and got some cute stuff. I got some menswear, so I'll just save it for the haul. But like right now we're gonna go to somewhere downtown, and the lady's like literally right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. So I stopped at the Melrose vintage store, and like I think there's a situation going on, so I didn't want to be over there right now, but it was closed anyway and there wasn't much like open, so I made it to the King Richard's antique store, and this is what it looks like if my camera will adjust. Ignore my dirty window. I don't know what happened, but we're here. I'm super excited. I've been waiting to come here. This is like also my favorite stop. So this is basically just a video of me trying a new thing and showing you one of my favorite places. This is kind of like a little secret that I have, is this place. It is literally huge. Like I'm gonna show you guys all the levels. Okay, well that's just a car, but like it's literally super big, and like let's see if we can find anything. Hopefully I can film. It doesn't say anything, but I'll film secretly so y'all can see. But let's go inside. So basically like, oh, this is a weird bug. Ooh, I don't want to knock this down. Adventures of Pinocchio. This is so cool. Look how cute this one is. Oh my gosh, the Animaniacs. I remember this. It's really cute. Like how it says, I didn't even say this, you gotta get it. Very cute. So we're on the second level now. I forgot how many levels there are. I think there might be 3 or 4. I'm trying to find the one where they have cameras. Look at this little baby bed. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a dolly crib. It's like Melanie Martinez with like this. This is so cute. It's like a bunch of baby stuff. Melanie Martinez, if she were here. Why does this doll look like it'd be haunted? So weird. 1920s. I feel like I'm haunted now. Blues and jazz. Oh, Fitzgerald. Alright, so now we're going on the lower level. Lower. Oof. That's weird, my camera's not focusing. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Did you guys hear the creaking? It's people up there. My camera still doesn't want to focus. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, that literally scared me. Oh my gosh. Louis Charles dies at 73. What year is this? Oh, 2004. It literally sounds like a movie. $50,000 in gems stolen from LA. It would be from LA. There's so many dolls. Oh my gosh, this scared me. Oh, the piano. It's $50. Girl, I'm gonna take this piano home. Like, do you see that? 50. Still works. Let's go look at the clothes. I really want that piano. That'd be really cool with a vintage piano, but I have like nowhere to put it. Like photos. These are kind of cool. They remind me of the little things we made in like elementary. We gotta go see the missions. Oh my gosh, the queen. Dolly Parton herself. What is with all the dolls? They're so creepy. My dad bought my mom a dress one time here. This is kind of cute. Kind of like this dress. It's a 60s dress. I think it's really cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, but literally me. I'm literally a clown and I'm always crying. Literally. I kind of want something like small. This one's cute. I don't know if my phone would fit. 1960s genuine cotton leather. I think I might get this one. How precious. Look at this little dollhouse. Oh my gosh. My mom would freak out if she saw this. Melanie Martinez, who? Okay, I think I'm just gonna get the purse because I feel like I don't have like a little date purse. And like, even though I don't feel like I'm dates because I'm ugly, but like just something. So I don't have to carry around this little really bad. Makes me stand out. Song is in the back. Can you guys hear it? They're always playing bops at this store, so I love cleaning. But only knows like 2 songs. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of the Lana Del Rey, like Big Eyes. Isn't that a song? Look at it. That literally looks like her, the cover art. Look at Annabelle on it. My grandma has a bunch of these things. She should probably sell it here. She actually still uses it. I think we kind of saw everything. Oh my gosh, let me send this to this dude that likes cars. He's gonna be like, why are you sending this to me? Okay, so I think that's the end of this video. I'm gonna go for the purse. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't boring. I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like my videos are boring. But like, I like doing them and I like filming stuff. So yeah, check me out on Instagram and all my stuff on my socials. And I'll see you next time.